Okay, I'm going to try this video again. My last video didn't turn out too well, so I'm going to try it one more time. I got a DJI Spark. It just arrived a little while ago, and I wanted to share it with y'all. Okay. Alright, I have already had it out of the box, but I put it back in the box so I could show you what all you get. And there is the Spark, the box. That's what it looks like. This is the Spark Fly More Combo. And it's on sale right now, so you get everything for a pretty good price, so you might want to look at that. It comes with a micro SD high-speed card, which is a pretty good deal. It's 16 gigabytes, which is a pretty good bit. It comes with, out of the box, a shoulder bag that holds all of your equipment, and it comes with the case, styrofoam case, nice heavy-duty styrofoam case that holds your Spark. So we're going to start with the case, the shoulder case, the shoulder bag. In the front pocket of the shoulder bag is a charging cord and battery charger for the batteries. And then up top you have an extra battery, charging cord, a charger, and extra the protectors for the propellers, and you have 4 of those. And then you also have the remote control, which I haven't really looked at it too much to really know how this works, so I'll look at that in just a few minutes. I'm not really sure how all that works. But the bag is really nice. It's thick and padded, and it looks like it would really do a very good job at protecting all of your equipment. So, and it really is compact, so the only thing you're going to have to carry to take to your, wherever you're going to take this to fly, is a little backpack. Carry this and a little backpack maybe to carry your DJI. And then you get your DJI, comes in this little case, very nice. And there's your DJI in this little case. It comes with extra propellers in the top and the bottom, and then the actual DJI itself is right here. Very small, fits in the palm of your hand, and on the bottom it comes with this battery, so you have 2 batteries with it. Very nice. Looks like it's going to be very simple, I hope, and easy to use. I've been flying the DJI Standard, so I've been looking forward. Actually, I was looking at the DJI Pro, but when I looked at this, I'm not really, I'm not a professional, so I really don't see the point in getting the DJI Pro, Mavic Pro. I really just want to do some YouTube videos and maybe some home videos, things like that. So having big fancy 4K videos, I don't really need that. So anyway, I think the DJI Spark is going to do just great for me. It does all the things I want it to do. It does all the tracking and all those little fancy things that you might want to try, like the zoom, and I don't know, there's a lot of different things I want to try. So this is it. This is what all you get with the combo. And I also bought the warranty, where it pays for everything if something happens, if you crash it or it gets in water or something like that, they'll replace it. So, and that was like $57 or something like that. So anyway, once I get it all charged up and ready to go and read the directions, I'm going to give it a shot. Thanks for watching.